This video demonstrates the steps required to bleed the brakes of a third-generation Toyota Prius. You may need to bleed the brakes as part of a routine service or when completing other jobs like replacing the brake calipers, brake lines or hoses. This procedure must be carried out using a suitable diagnostic tool such as the G-Scan 2. An assistant is also required. You'll need suitable diagnostic equipment. In this case, we're using a G-Scan 2, a suitable battery support unit, and brake fluid according to the manufacturer's standards. To begin, connect your G-Scan and complete the following steps. Select Diagnosis. Select Asia. You can then arrange the list into alphabetical order and select Toyota. Select International and then 16-pin connector. Now select ABS/VSC and click OK. Once connected, select Special Function and then General Air Bleeding. Now read the on-screen instructions before you begin the brake bleed process. Apply the parking brake. Disconnect the reservoir level switch. With your foot off the brake pedal, press the power button to switch the ignition on. Ensure the vehicle does not go into ready mode. Now raise the car and remove the wheels. Going back to the G-Scan, begin the brake bleed process, starting with the right-hand rear caliper. With your assistant applying pressure to the brake pedal, open the bleed nipple to allow the flow of brake fluid through the system. Close the nipple when the fluid runs clean and free of bubbles, and release the brake pedal. Then click on OK. Move on to the left-hand rear caliper, repeating the same steps, and click OK. Before starting on the front brakes, check the brake fluid reservoir and top up as required. Now move on to the left-hand side front caliper. Open the bleed nipple and have your assistant pump the brake pedal. Close the nipple when the fluid runs clean and free of bubbles, and click OK. Repeat the process on the right-hand side front caliper and click OK. The accumulator pressure will now need to be lowered. This process is repeated 6 times and is carried out by the G-Scan. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Once completed, you can refit the wheels, top up the brake fluid reservoir, reconnect the reservoir level switch, and clear any fault codes. Take the car for a test drive to ensure correct operation of the braking system.